Yeah, baby, yeah! We got ourselves probably the coolest set of headlights that I have ever built. I am continually proud of the fact that I am outdoing myself. This is for a 2013 Subaru BRZ. Whew! You ready for this product list? Alright. We did the Diode Dynamics RGBW DRL board kit. So that is for the little boomerangs right here. Those are now RGB. I did an Sti-R lens upgrade, which is for the factory boop, boop, projectors right there. But in addition to that, we did the Honeycomb etching on that. I did the profile prism switchback halos around the original projectors there. But then you'll also notice in the turn signal location, I did a retrofit there and installed the Morimoto Matchbox projector lens assembly with also the honeycomb etched lenses as well as a profile prism switchback halo. And I painted the interior a gloss black with a clear coat, and on the exterior of the entire product, I clear coated that as well and buffed and polished it. That actually had some road debris and some chips in there, so that was a really nice bonus. So I'll give you a little bit of a close-up. That's the honeycombed etched lenses, the black interior, the honeycomb etched lenses, the projector retrofit in what used to be the turn signal location. Now we have the two halos that will act as running lights as well as turn signals. It is a beautiful kit all on its own. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the gadgets running. It is Bluetooth controlled. I don't know if you can see that. So I'll show you one feature at a time. This is the quad demon eye setup. Again, Diode Dynamics products. Full RGBW. Via the controller on the cell phone, you can just pick the color. Whee! Or you can just go white or red. This is fun because it'll do patterns, it'll do custom colors, you can audio sync it to your voice. Hello! I don't actually really know how that works, but I mean it's working, so I guess this is the color of my voice. You can also do a color picker with your camera, which is kind of cool. If I do that and I click it, that's whatever. Those are fun features of the Diode Dynamics RGBW Bluetooth control kit. Then we will turn that off. There it is. And then we will turn the boomerang on, which is also a RGBW product from Diode Dynamics. As you can see, I can turn them both on at the same time, but honestly then the camera just kind of flips out and it doesn't really know what to do with it anymore. Then again, I don't have that one on funky switch, so we'll do that. Now it's on funky switch. So I mean, whatever. They're all controlled independently is the idea here. Also, to show off, let me turn those off. We have the running light. Hold on, that needs to turn off now. There we go. I only have one side hooked up because it's just insanely bright. What's cool about this is I pre-wired everything for the customer other than the additional HID kit for the projector, for the Matchbox projector. So these are the running lights, as you can see there. Ta-da! They're white. Duh. And then when you have a blinker, they will, of course, boop, 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 do switchback, which is super cool. And then when the blinker stops, they automatically just go back to white. So that's all pre-wired for him since the circuit was actually on the headlight. I did all that for him. So that's all plug and play for right now. I'm basically just hot wiring the plug. We also did a bulb upgrade. So for the D4S bulb, we did the Osram CBHs, which are super amazing, awesome headlight bulbs. And in the Matchbox projector, that's just a Morimoto H1. So just good shit. Okay, like I said, that's pretty much everything on this kit. It's got everything, and it's really awesome, and I'm super pleased with it. I'm glad that I'm continuing to push the limit of every build that I do, I'm learning something, and this one was certainly no exception. There was a fair share of hiccups on it, for sure, but I am super, super pleased with the result and wouldn't have it any other way. I think the customer is going to be pretty stoked. So without further ado, this is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen, and you have yourself a wonderful evening. Thanks again for watching. See ya!